You've seen it waving proudly, but the Mexican flag is more than just colors and a crest. It's a story of culture, conquest, and identity. Here are 10 hidden meanings behind the flag of Mexico. 1. Three colors, three core values. The vertical stripes represent green, hope and independence; white, purity and unity; red, the blood of national heroes who fought for freedom; 2. The eagle and serpent, Aztec prophecy fulfilled. The central image shows an eagle devouring a serpent on a cactus. This comes from an Aztec legend. The gods told the Aztecs to build their city where they saw this sign. That place became Tenochtitlán, now Mexico City. 3. The cactus, symbol of the land. The eagle stands on a nopal cactus, representing the rugged strength of the land and Mexico's agricultural richness. 4. The rock in water, geography of Mexico City. The cactus grows from a rock in the middle of a lake, just like ancient Tenochtitlan, which was built on an island in Lake Texcoco. 5. Oak and laurel branches, victory and strength. The flag includes oak, symbolizing strength, and laurel, symbolizing victory, tied in a ribbon of the national colors. 6. The design changed over time. Mexico's flag has had several versions, from the First Empire to the Republic. The current version was adopted in 1968 and legally confirmed in 1984. 7. Influenced by Italian Revolution. Mexico's tricolor layout was inspired in part by revolutionary ideals in Europe, particularly Italy and France. 8. Flag Day celebrated. Every February, 24 Mexico celebrates Dia de la Bandera annually to honor its national symbol and the unity it represents. 9. The flag is sacred in Mexico. There are strict laws under the Ley sobre el Escudo, la Bandera y el Himno Nacionales. It must be treated with great respect. Improper use can result in legal penalties. 10. One of the most detailed national flags. Mexico's flag is known for having one of the most intricate emblems of any national flag, with hand-painted details often used for official versions. The Mexican flag is a fusion of myth, nature, and history. Each element tells the story of a proud and ancient culture. Which fact did you love the most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more.